We are in the northwestern corner of Tenerife, and our destination is the Buenavista lighthouse, which can often be seen from far away, even from the Tacoronte area when the weather is good. Buenavista del Norte is the westernmost municipality on the island and also includes the most extreme area of Teno. We arrived by car, passing through Los Silos, and then following small roads between the many plantations. This paved road is used by the many companies that cultivate these fields. The volcanic soil, low altitude, and proximity to the ocean make the climate and terrain ideal for many crops. Mainly bananas, but also potatoes, grapes, and various vegetables. Honey is also produced in this area. The weather forecast predicted clear skies, but instead a strong wind picked up and brought more clouds than expected. Due to the wind, we won't be able to fly the drone. Geographically, this part is almost flat, almost at sea level. Then there is a small mountain in the center called Montaña de Taco. But just inland there are much higher mountains. We can say that the valley is divided into the municipalities of Los Silos, further east, and Buenavista del Norte, to the west. We head to the coastal area, more precisely to the lighthouse. Here is the lighthouse with its modern architecture that illuminates this part of the coast. This 42-meter lighthouse was built in 1990, along with other lighthouses in Tenerife, to improve navigation in the area. Until then, there were only 4 lighthouses here in Tenerife. However, it is not the westernmost lighthouse, because there is the Teno lighthouse that protects and marks the most extreme point of the island. There are also some trails that start here, and during our visit we see that there is also someone riding a bike. Don't forget to push a like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. These small things are free for you, but very important for the channel. Here, the coast is very rugged and has a wonderful charm, with the ocean waves between white and blue. We continue eastward until we reach a rather curious rock formation. This geological formation is literally a hole in the coastline and is called El Rayo, the lightning bolt. Popular belief has it that lightning created this hole, but obviously that is just a belief. All I can say is that it's impressive. Come with me to see it up close. The Rayo is not only beautiful, but it also allows us to discover something else. Layers of successive volcanic eruptions separated by slag, as if they were pages in a book. I'll leave you here, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time.